Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is Dark Side Vision Rey. I was not a fan of the movie, but I thought this was a very interesting character. I wish that we could have actually seen a little bit more of it. But as you can see, we do have Rey here. We've got the cool lightsaber that flips down. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, take a look at her articulation, take some pictures, and then come back and talk about the things that I maybe like or don't like about the figure. All right, so as you can see, we do have Rey here. We have the lightsaber. We have the Star Wars, the Rise of Skywalker in blue here. And then we've got, going to the side here, we have the lightsaber and then Rey. It's actually a really good artistic look at that. And then on the back here, we have Rey, Dark Side Vision. While searching for the Sith wayfinder, Rey envisions her turn to the dark side. Wielding a double-bladed lightsaber, her rage and immense power is frightening. All right, and then it's number 1 in the series. And on the back, we've got the light blue streak, and we are back to Rey. I do want to note, I was able to get this from GameStop. I pre-ordered it when it was the $12 version, and I'm very surprised that GameStop actually honored that. They sent out some emails saying that they weren't going to, and that they were going to cancel the orders or raise the price on it, but they didn't. So I was very happy to see that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this. The lightsabers here, just be very careful with that. And then we've got Rey. Just looks like it's a very interesting mixture of the rubberized material and actual cloth. All right, so I'm going to get things cleaned up here, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at her articulation. All right, so I think the first thing is take a look at the lightsaber. The lightsaber is actually really cool. As you can see, you've got a hinge there, and it folds down, just like it did in the movie. So Rey is able to hold it and then flip down, and we'll go from there. I don't really remember exactly what it looked like, so I'm not going to tell you how accurate this is. The blades do come out, so you would be able to do just holding the lightsaber itself without the blades. And it comes out just like all the other ones do. But it does have a correct way to put in. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty cool. I like the fact that they did make it so it folded down just like it did in the movie. All right, so taking a look at Rey, the hood is not something you're really it's gonna come off. It is the rubberized material, so you know she is able to turn her head inside of there. Let's make sure we get focus. There we go. So that's cool, but you're not really gonna be taking the hood off. On the back here, we do have the actual, it is cloth. The arms actually have decent range of motion. There we go. So as you can see, able to go as far up as you would expect to be able to do so. The elbows are going to be greater than 90 by far. We're able to turn at the shoulder and then at the lower elbow as well. The wrist goes left and right on this one. It's kind of cool. She's got the ring on that. Let's see if we can focus. There we go. And then on this one, it's also a left and right as well. The torso, we've got a little bit of, actually decent amount of movement. Focus, please, focus. All right. So yeah, that's pretty good. The skirt area here, at the upper thigh, we do have the twist that we would expect. And then it is a single knee joint. And we're able to twist above the knee. And then the ankle is pretty standard, so I'm not going to go into that. So let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and take some pictures, and I'll be back. We'll talk about maybe some things that I learned, things that I like and or don't like about this. As I'm going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be right back. right, so I think that was a good look at the figure. Like I said, the motion or the articulation on the head is very limited because of the cowl there. But I think it's a really good figure. I think it's a good addition to the lineup. It's probably one of my favorite Rays. I'll be honest with you, I wasn't a big fan of the figure, but I think it was pretty cool. I really like the lightsaber. I can't say that enough. But yeah, I mean, the character is definitely limited in motion between the cowl and then the dress being all like the molded plastic as opposed to the fabric. I don't think it would have looked very good as just the fabric, however, so I appreciate what Hasbro did in this. So, anyways, if you have any questions, like I said before, make sure you ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel, not just Star Wars The Black Series, although that's about like half the things that we do. But we do other things, including just other Star Wars stuff, home automation, going to theme parks, and basically anything that a professional geek might find interesting. Myself being a professional geek, I show things that I'm interested in. Hopefully you are as well. And if you are interested, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.